Welcome back to another captivating episode of Ride and Roar, where we journey into the heart of automotive brilliance. Today, we're unmasking an Asian giant, a truck that's all about power and efficiency. Gear up for the Faw J7. Feast your eyes on the Faw J7, a flagship truck from Faw that's not just big on size, but big on features and performance. Released to critical acclaim, the J7 is a testament to Faw's engineering prowess. This rig delivers the power, reliability, and efficiency that's vital in today's demanding transport industry. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer size and build quality of the J7. Its robust design, spacious cabin, and tough wheels are built to handle any challenge the open road can throw at it. Inside, the J7 is more than just a truck. It's a high-tech workspace on wheels, offering comfort and modern tech that takes long-haul driving to the next level. Fire up the J7's engine, and you'll feel the raw power of Faw's advanced truck engineering. This machine is designed to haul heavy loads across long distances with ease. Out on the road, the J7 truly comes into its own. Its power and stability, even at high speeds, showcase Faw's commitment to safety and efficiency. Despite its size, the J7 handles remarkably well. Whether it's tight turns or tricky parking, this behemoth can handle it all. So there it is, the Faw J7, a symbol of power, reliability, and technological advancement. It's not just a truck, it's a testament to Faw's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. That's all from us today at Ride and Roar. If you love this deep dive into the world of powerful rigs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, remember, the thrill of the ride is in the roar of the engine.